Our next lesson that we're covering deals with electricity and magnetism.
Power plants that we have now, we're probably going to be powered by batteries.
It will help the environment and not pollute the air.
What are some of the other things that you think can be powered by batteries?
This is an amazing event for Walnut Creek today. We are so excited. We were contacted by Chrissy Brewer, who works with GM, and they have developed some amazing educational units on electricity and chemistry, which dovetail perfectly with what we teach for the 8th grade core curriculum.
So as we can see that electricity we use every day can be generated from many different sources of energy. GM interactive lessons are perfect for what we are starting in our next unit. Our next unit is electricity and magnetism. The information that's being presented to the kids today is aligned with our district benchmarks as well as the state standards.
GM's education initiatives go back about a decade. What we try to do is to bring real-time concepts into the classroom through free lesson plans that we develop with leading education experts in the field and teachers themselves. So it covers relevant topics today like electrification, what we've done today, but it also covers environmental topics, sources of energy in our world today and how that's changing. So concepts that are very real and important for them to understand.
It's sort of getting us into the new lesson of batteries and energy and generators and things like that. So yeah, it did help us transition into the new lesson.
The curriculum and the lesson plan that we did today at this middle school is targeted to middle school students, grades 5 through 8.
What was exciting about the class that I learned was that how the history of this car came to be from an ordinary Model T to this amazing brand new modern car that powered by electricity.
So the more they can learn now, the more that they can apply now, the more that they can understand about it now, the more they can help create it in the future. And that's really what we want. We want them to be thoughtful about the world that they're going to be living in, and we want them to be able to participate in it and obviously to create it.
Because the children today are our future scientists and engineers, and we're trying to engage them in the concepts of electricity and how that's impacting the transportation industry of the future.
If there's one thing I could think that I hope that my kids walk away with today is that the knowledge that what they're learning today is going to mean something in the future.
All the information that we're teaching in this lesson plan, plus a wonderful interactive online magazine that goes into these concepts, can be found at gm.com/education.
Mom, Dad, this is the future. And this is going to change our world forever.